How to remove wrinkles, smile lines, anti-aging using a retinol. Many of you might know about retinol and many of you even use it, but what if you're not using it in the right amount at the right time and in the right way? So even if you are using retinol, you won't be able to take proper advantage of it. So in today's video, I will talk 6 important things about retinol. So at the end of this video, I'll tell you something important about retinol that I think all retinol users should know. How can we know what are the benefits of something unless we have complete knowledge about it and know how it works? So this is why we will first talk about what is retinol and how does it work. Retinol is made of vitamin A along with retinol and retinoic acid. The small molecules that make up retinol go deep beneath the outer layer of skin to your middle layer of skin. Retinol helps boost the production of elastin and collagen, which create a plumping effect that can reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, enlarged pores. Now that we know what retinol is and how it works, secondly, we'll talk about the benefit of using retinol. Following are the benefit of retinol. Retinol reduces fine lines, it reduces wrinkles, improves sunspots and other signs of sun damage, improve uneven skin texture, and also melasma and other type of hyperpigmentation. Now we will talk about what are the side effects of retinol. There are some common side effects that can cause irritation in the short term. Dry skin, peeling, sensitivity to the sun, and allergic reaction, which is rare. To reduce the risk of irritation or allergic reaction, talk with a dermatologist about the specific OTC retinol brand you're considering. Here I want to draw your attention to another important point. It is also a good idea to do a use test. This is when you put a small amount of the product on your inner forearm for several days to make sure you don't have a reaction prior to applying it all over your face. How often should I use retinol? If you are not experiencing any redness or flakiness the next day, you can bump it up every other day and then even every day if your skin can handle it. Now we'll talk about how to apply retinol. First, wash your face and apply eye cream. An eye cream will help protect the delicate skin around your eye. Step 2. Wait a few minutes until your skin is completely dry. This is important because if your skin is at all damp, the retinol will be able to absorb more deeply into your skin and might cause irritation. Take a pea-sized amount of your retinol and, starting at your chin, apply with your fingertip in upward and outward motion. Remember to apply sunscreen the next morning after, as retinol makes skin more sensitive to the sun. Should I use retinol during the day or night? Retinol product can make the skin more sensitive to the sun, so it's better to apply it at night. If you want retinol to work to their full effect, it's better to use it before the moisturizer. And if you want to reduce the strength of retinol, it is better to use retinol after moisturizer. And finally, I'll tell you something important about retinol that I think all users should know. Many people use other creams besides retinol for other skin problems such as acne or other skin firming, anti-aging serum and creams. So I'd like to clarify that your risk for side effect may be greater if you use more than one retinol. And to avoid this mistake, read product label carefully. If you're using product for acne and for anti-aging issues which are more likely to contain retinol. Retinol usually finds its best friend in moisturizers and hyaluronic acid, while you should not combine it with vitamin C, glycolic acid and benzoyl peroxide. In the event you need to use one of these substances, apply it on day when you are not going to be using retinol. In my next video, I will tell you about skincare product that must be in the skincare routine, and how to apply and what benefits can be obtained from them. I request my viewers to leave a comment by saying skincare next, so I'll know how many of my viewers are interested to know about skincare. At the end of this video, I request to please subscribe to my channel, like, share and leave a comment on my video. Your support is my courage. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay healthy. See you in my next video.